Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Drovin. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 15.4.1 Safari black screen issue on iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to iOS 15.4.1 update after Safari black screen and also GPU media options not showing on the Safari setting. So guys, in this video I will show you Safari alternative browser for the fixing iOS 15.4.1 Safari black screen on iPhone and iPad. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more information about iPhone and iPad. Lot of users to say when they started YouTube video on the Safari browser that time automatically black screen show on iPhone and iPad. Now I will show you which applications download for the Safari alternative application. Now first one important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android device. When the Wi-Fi and mobile data is connected, now open the App Store in your iPhone and iPad. In the App Store you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search private browser. Search bar search after wait for the sometimes for the loading private browser on the App Store. When the searching is completed, now you can see also scroll down and finger fit icon of the private browser. This browser tap on the get and you can easily download install on your iPhone and Android device. Now wait for the downloading these applications on your iPhone and iPad. When the downloading and installation is completed, now open the private browser on your iPhone and iPad. Now you can see also Safari alternative browser use and you can easily black screen issue fix on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, this way to private browser use alternative for the Safari browser. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.